Iana welcomes you to Fukuoka, Japan.
Let it begin. Walang pila yung immigration. Sobrang bilis ng custom. Sobrang bilis ng bagahe. Sobrang bilis. Uwi na kami bukas. It's currently almost 8 p.m. So I don't know kung saan kami kakain. Guys, medyo pawis na ako ah. The jacket is off. Sabi 19. Medyo pa... Init. Di naman...
Naka-heater tayo dito sa
Lawson muna. Oh my God, the sandwiches. I see it. Tsaka yung chicken. Magaling guys. Alam nila lahat nasa Lawson ako. Iniwan ako nilang lahat. Eto na. Malalaman ko na kung malamig na. Oh my gosh, guys. Parang nasa aircon. See. Ay, buntis-buntisan ka na.
priorities.
Oh my God. Dito na kami sa hotel. Wala na toothbrush. Kampay. Potato salad, guys. Like, may bacon. Let's try the potato salad with Japan. Baka gusto mo ng rice yan. Mommy's order. Lempo. That's where we ate, guys. Nasos lang namin. Oh my, parang dito na. Mommy and daddy for dinner, parang 2,000 pesos lang. Tatlong malaking ramen, tapos chicken karage, specialty potato salad, tsaka yung parang pork na spicy kanina. Pero ang review ko, parang lasa lang siyang ramenagi na watered down. Yun lang. So guys, ito yung room namin. So I translated this Yakult. 20 billion Shirota strain Lactobacilli kasi per bottle. Biruin mo naman 20 billion. So kung mas malaki, de 40. Baka buong araw ka na tumatay nun. Parang... Yeah. Vanilla yogurt, guys. And it looks like that. Firm. Parang custard. Sarap. Very, very, very creamy. Parang ice cream, Brad. Brad, tikman mo. Parang ice... I guess the cow... It's like pudding consistency. Paniguradong tomorrow. Bye. Guys, so that's day 0.5 of Japan. Tomorrow yung first full day namin. Okay, bye! Guys, I wasn't feeling... Oh my gosh. Nag-get ready with me ako. Good morning! Since it's day 1 and ang tagal ng mga kasama namin, pupunta muna kami ng 7-Eleven. Oh my gosh, guys, ito yung favorite ko. Ito.
Yung karage.
Oo, yung chicken. Parang bago to. Pork, ham, onion, cheese, sauce, and basil. Guys, sabi kasi sa Google nung isang araw, nung nag-check ako before I pack, parang 28 ang weather. Oh my God, pagdating namin, pagkalaan, sabi nung captain, 19. Tingnan mo yung mga dala ko. Ganyan yung mga sando na dala ko. Sabi pa ni Mami, parang wala kang dalang damit. Sabi ko, that's the plan. Hindi mo alam. Hinihintay ko lang mag-GU. Akasaka Station. And 3 stations. We're going to Gion. So we're here at our first destination, Hakata Old Town. So makikita natin dito yung mga modern.
Hindi, yung old, makikita natin dito. Ito yung mga bahay nila dati. Saan yung art museum dito?
I don't know what that is, but my eyebrows are nice. Ha. Andito na kami sa susunod namin na temple, guys.
No.
Okay, guys. So since I'm here in Japan, actually, I've been living through a motto na I want to do everything with purpose. We're here at the next temple. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga names, guys. Pero I'll find out and then I'll put it sa video.
Kanal na.
I don't know what you call it pa rin. But I'm here. Hindi ko pa rin alam ano yan. Guys, so dito na kami ngayon sa Canal. Canal City. Ah, eto na siya. Okay. Parang sa Osaka pala. Kakain na ako. Gutom na gutom na. Okay, lunch time. Strawberry milkshake. Daddy, try.
Kailangan natin maglapot.
Sarap.
Walang...
Now we're here. Ano tawag sa tower na to?
Hakata Port.
Hakata Port. So we're done with this wharf na walang nangyari.
Hindi, picture naman natin yung tower.
Ay, sorry po.
Picture naman muna kami ni Daddy habang naghihintay.
But now we're going to Mega Donkey. Isa lang binili ko.
Yung kamote.
Dino! Sushi ta. Isa lang binili ko, guys. At yun ay Dove body wash. Kasi sobrang dry ng skin ko dun sa sabon sa hotel. Guys, OMG, this is our table. We're gonna eat. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys, ito na. The pork. The cheesy pork. Parang samgyup.
Sabi ko. Oh, again. Ito ma. Ay, ito na yan. Apo. Nasarap tayo. Konti lang ako.
Eel and egg.
Dapat kinakain ng buo.
So yun na. Tinig mo ko ni Iyo. Sarap.
GG lang yan eh.
Para sa tamal po ako.
Taho-taho mo lang. Order ka na order kanina.
Grabe ka, ako ba yung matakaw ha? Ako na yung nandito. Grabe ka makatakaw, mom. That hurt my feelings ha. Ako na nga yung nandito, hindi yung nag-aanli. That was early dinner, 6:39 PM pa lang. Hindi niyo ako mamamalayan, magbe-blend in ako. Namalayan niya ako, tapos muntik pa ako may mabunggo. So we're gonna try this. It just tastes like regular chips. Medyo walang lasa. Okay. And, fair tuloy. My head hurts. And therefore, I will get this. And I'm gonna get orange juice! Winner! Good morning! I'm gonna get some rice and it's day 2 in Japan. Guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa loob ng Team Labs Fukuoka. So ito yung part para magka-catch ka ng animal pero hindi ko siya makatch. So picture na lang. Ano nangyari? Nawawala? Ganon? O, tara.
Scan step?
Step, okay. Oh my God, ano to? Oh Oh my gosh, guys!
Picture.
May picture na tinan niyo, natatapakan siya. Talagang totoong umbok siya sa floor. Do not jump. Trampoline, guys! Oh my gosh!
Okay, this is something different.
This is something new. That's si Daddy. Ngayon, guys, may pa-maze. That's Mommy and Daddy. Kaya ako naman. Ay! Di na. Ayoko. Wow! Kakaiba naman.
Kasi yan, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Then let's go.
Kasha ka, Daddy? Oh my gosh! Guys, I'm claustrophobic! Feeling. Ay! Oh, wow! Oh my gosh, guys! Grabe to! Yan, yan, yan! Tara na! We're gonna corner! Guilty. In 7-Eleven again. What did you buy?
2 string cheese and leche flan.
So may 500 yen budget lang kasi kami. Ako itong sandwich for tomorrow's breakfast. And pancakes! And milk. Here's our dinner, guys. Here's our dinner.
Yan, kulang pa ba
Oh
yan?
my gosh. Tita, say hi. Guys, here's our dinner. Here's our dinner. Wow. Guys, I'm drinking this high fiber drink. Broccoli, guys. Sarap ng butter dito, guys. Sarap. After dinner, guys, we're here. You ordered this one.
Sa'yo na.
Eh, sa akin na raw. Try it, guys. So nagkamali kami ng order. Coffee. Good luck. Hindi masarap?
Hindi, masarap siya. Okay lang. Iisin ko na lang.
Sorry.
Okay lang.
Baka gising ko buong gabi, ah.
Okay lang. Kayang-kaya ko yan.
Guys, we're gonna try this cheese and chocolate ice bar from 7-Eleven here in Japan. Lasa talaga siyang cheesecake. With white chocolate coating.
Bye, watch the next Japan vlogs.